Just remember there will be 10 seconds delay always.
Okay.
And we should be live right now. Awesome. So, hello everyone.
Hello everyone. Hi.
Hello
Hi
everyone.
everyone.
Yeah, keep sending the woo in the chats. Hey Vedant. Nice, good vibes.
How is everyone doing? Hello everyone.
Hey. Hello, hello.
I see lots of who.
Yeah.
We also in Naruto.
Hello, Vaibhav. Hello, Avnish. So what we are going to do is we will wait for more why would I say 15? 5 minutes and we will get started. I already see a lot of people coming in. That's awesome. Hello, Asta. Let me see if I missed one, two. Okay. Hello, Parth. Hello, hello. I'm not sure what Amish said, but let's hope that was hello in another language. So, hello, Amish. Hello, hello.
Hello, Dheeraj.
Pratik is always there to support us. Anyways, if your friends are also interested in this or just want to get an exposure about what is Compose Camp, how Android works, or what is GDS in basically, you can just share this live stream and they can just stick to us for like 10 minutes and we'll make sure that they stay for the whole next year or something. Hello. Hello. Hey, Sagar. Hello, hello. Oh wow, we have reached more than 56, 50 plus watching. That's awesome. That's awesome. Yes, good vibes. I'm not sure why the
Beside
emojis are
being
not
holiday,
showing.
beside being holiday, we can see many participants.
Oh yes.
That's great.
Hello Parth from TY, I think third year AIML. Awesome. So while before we start, we're gonna okay. I think I did something. Before we start, we're gonna wait, I guess, more 1 minute, and maybe just to hype up a little bit more, just send your random emojis. I will sign in into another account, and I will also come into chat and send some random emojis to be part of it. So give me one sec. Okay, I'm in different account right now, and okay, I'll be sending emojis. Buffer. Oh, I understood. It's It's in StreamYard, it doesn't show emojis. I think we are good to go then. Awesome. So yeah, we welcome you to. Okay, before we welcome, I think I have to hide the current comment. Awesome. Okay, so we welcome you to the introduction to the Compose Camp. The whole program is from Google, and we have collaborated with one TCET GDSC and UMIT GDSC, and it's gonna be a cool collaboration. And we'll talk about this more. I will let the both GDSC leads to talk about this. How about we start with Kritika with you?
Good evening, everyone. I would like to extend a very warm welcome to each one of you. Thank you for joining us today. Now, let's start with the introduction of the panel who is presenting this. So, let's start with myself. My name is Kritika Saravanan, the current lead of Usha Mittal Institute of Technology. I hope you will enjoy this session. Handing it to you, Anam.
Thank you, Kritika. So, hello everyone. I am Anam Ansari, the GDSC lead for Thakur College of Engineering and Technology, and I'm so happy to see you all being so active in the comments. And this is the whole reason why we wanted to do a collab to get to know each other and talk about this whole event that we are bringing to you, which is Compose Camp. And I think so. I should hand over to the facilitators to talk about it more. Over to you, Pritika and Dheeraj.
So, hi everyone, I am Pratika K from UMIT and I am the facilitator for this Compose Camp. So, I just hope that by the end of this Compose Camp, 90% of you will be an Android developer and you guys will enjoy this session. Over to you, Dheeraj.
Um, uh,
Dheeraj, you are on mute.
Yeah, I hate to interrupt, but
Awesome.
you're on mute.
So yeah, hello everyone. I'm Dheeraj Chauhan. I'm the facilitator for the GDSC TCET for the Compose Camp, and yeah, I'm looking forward to all the applications, all the Android developers, um, all the new Android developers, and the experienced ones to get to go into a new journey and learn something totally new with the collaboration and full of learnings. So yeah, I hope you all are excited and um, send us a yes if you all are ready to go to the start and introduce about the Compose Cap also. Someone is a fan of Pritika, so you are. And okay,
Okay,
we
so
got
we are
two.
getting many yeses.
Awesome. So yeah, now me and Pritika will take the lead and get started with the introduction. Awesome. So yeah, what are we going to learn today? This is the whole flow for the presentation. We will start with deep diving into the Compose Camp and learn about Jetpack Compose. What can you expect from Compose Camp? And what else is there, Pritika? Can you let us know?
So, what exactly is this program? Like, how are we supposed to complete this course? How are we supposed to join in this course? And the additional resources which we need for completion of this course. So, we'll be telling the whole overview of this program. So, let's start, Dheeraj.
Awesome. So yeah, you all must be excited about the Compose Camp. But before we start that, how about we get to know about what exactly is Compose Camp? So this is a program given by Google, and Google have a lot of domains and the technologies which the GDS is all about. And this is one of the camp and the program given by Google. And to make the learning Compose even easier, now you all must be thinking, what is Compose? We'll get back to you in a minute. And this is launched by the Google series of in-person and virtual sessions where we'll be learning starting from the scratch about the Android applications, how to build one, what are the programming languages to use, what is a better way to write code, and all the build errors will be always there with you. And yeah, we are here to collaborate on various applications, and there is a lot which is going on. So grab your camping gear and let's see how are going to participate and create the best applications out there. Now, to you, Pratika.
Yeah. So just as Dheeraj mentioned, that Compose Camp is just focused around how to build Android apps using Jetpack Compose, right? So what exactly is Jetpack Compose? So we've never heard of Jetpack Compose, right? Like, because it's a new one. So Jetpack Compose is basically Android's modern toolkit for building native UI. So I think it might be a bit technical. So I'll just simple it down. It's just that and Jetpack Compose has many tools, many libraries, modules, frameworks, which helps the Android developers to create basic apps, basic native UI. Native UI means we just have a default settings which we in which we can add some inputs, and we can get our desirable results. It simplifies and accelerates UI development on Android. If suppose you have previously used Android, you might be knowing that it's so difficult to import different modules and different libraries into your Android Studio, and then start the development of your application. So Jetpack Compose is a suite of all the libraries which helps us to create an Android application with a good user interface. So that's why it is very easy. And it consists of a reactive programming model with an ease of Kotlin programming language. What is reactive programming model, right? So reactive programming model is nothing but it's just a what we can say, design paradigm, which is based on programming logic to handle the real time updates so that the output won't be static. That means when you code something, so you need some output, right? So that you can check if whatever we are coding, the output is the exact same. So it's just that it's a reacting programming model which is based on Kotlin language, so that you don't have to learn any other language for just for developing an application. So that's what Jetpack Compose is. And why should we only use Jetpack Compose, not anything else? Dheeraj, next slide. Yeah. So why should we use only Jetpack Compose? Why anything? Why not anything else? As I mentioned just now, it's a very comfortable kind of a module. So it has the first benefit is it needs quite less code. If you have already started with your journey of Compose Camp, you might be and you have completed the unit 1, you might have come across this birthday greeting card application, right? So you might know that it when you start developing on Android Studio for Compose Camp, it's just that the whole program is already by default given to you. You just have to make some arrangements for the inputs, and you get your desired output. It's like quite less code, and also it is very intuitive. Like, you just need to describe the UI, and Compose takes care of all the rest. You don't need to do any much of hard work. It's just like a smart work thing. It accelerates development. That means it's compatible with all the existing code, so you can adopt with any you can adopt when and where you want it. It iterates fast live and previews all the Android Studio support. It is powerful, indeed it is powerful, because creates beautiful apps with direct access to Android Studio. Because usually Android Studio doesn't support with all the libraries and modules, but Compose Camp, it has direct access to all the APIs and built-in support material. And it also gives us the by default dark theme and animation effects, which we struggle to import for other applications. So this is very, what you can say, it's a hands-on thing. It's very easy to go.
It is indeed easy to go. I have been developing Android apps for like I guess now 2 years or 1.5 years. And when I started out, there was nothing like Jetpack Compose or something. Or even if it was, I had nothing, no places to go there and just ask about how I can write better code or write code which requires less, which has less bugs and requires less of the knowledge as a beginner to get started. And now that Google has pretty much made the Jetpack Compose so easier for anyone to get started with, and having a Compose camp, something like this, is a really, really good thing for a beginner and Pritika explained really well that how why you should use, and we are gonna focusing all about compose in this, and yeah, pretty much excited about it. Now that was all about what is Jetpack Compose and what is Compose. Now what you can expect from the program itself and from your GDSEs. So we have always thought of making the technology accessible for everyone. Now when I say technology, we do not say that having your laptop with you, also making some new applications or some softwares for yourself and making it accessible for your family or something. You pretty much do it every time, right? Who would like to just make something which you can just do it every time and let the machine do rather than you do it by yourself? So we are all about inclusivity, and this is why we are going to start everything from the scratch rather than depending or thinking that someone has a knowledge about something or not. So we're going to start with learning Kotlin programming language. Kotlin is a new programming language which is used to develop Android applications, and Google has made it an official Android language. But apart from that, we also use Java. But let's be real, who uses Java in 2022 for Android applications? After that, we are going to start with building applications. We will build our first application with its UI, with the Compose, and we will give an overview of what we used to do it earlier and how is it making it better in the Compose itself. Now, this is all about learning and building something. But how about showing off the work you will be doing, right? So this is where the Google badges come. Every time you build something while we will be building and learning together, you will also get something like Google badges after you complete everything, which will make everything so great for anyone to just showcase your work and showcase the badges for like, okay, I completed my first application. That's such a great achievement. I completed something even complex. Okay, there's a badge for you too. Oh, you are experienced. How about get a different badge which is more for more experienced people? And that is an easy way to just showcase your work. And let's be real, if you don't show up, then it's just not fun, right? Yes. And okay, that was all about from Google side. What about what will GDSs give you if you be the best person out there in our Compose, right? If you are the active person, if you're the person who is building stuff and showing off your work. So we have from GDSs, you will be getting certificates and the goodies. There's another announcement which we will not be doing right now because there's already a lot of hype for the Compose camp. We'll let the hype be there for that also. But you're going to have goodies and certificates for the people who are doing great, for the participation, and just being active, you know? Awesome. So give me another yes or some random stuff if you are really hyped about the whole whatever me and Pritika have explained right now. And that will just give us a affirmation that we should go to the next point. Okay.
Yes, we are getting many yes.
Yes, awesome. So Pritika, should we go to the next slide?
Yeah, sure. So I'll just give you a program overview, like what the whole program consists of. So over here, we have 4 units. In this whole course of Compose Camp, we just consist of 4 units: unit 1, 2, 3, and 4. What you need to do is just that you just need to go into the unit, you just need to complete the pathways. Each unit consists of 3 pathways. You just need to go to the unit, go to the pathway, and complete the whole unit pathway, give the quiz, earn the badges, and voila, you will be done and you will be completing the course. And by the end of the course, you will be creating 3 different applications. You will that means, like, if you complete this course, you will for sure be able to say that you are an Android developer with full confidence and full badges. You will be having these pros now, you will be having these badges, so you are an Android developer if you can complete this course. So just be confident, just go with the flow and follow each and every step that is mentioned in the pathway. And yeah, that's it. So can you take the next slide?
Sure.
So this is unit 2. It has every unit is like a step towards the Android development. It's actually starts from the scratch. It shows you what is Kotlin. It tells you how to set up the Android Studio. It shows you how to create a basic app, like just to greet happy birthday kind of thing. And the unit 2, it start from unit 2 you will be starting this actually technical things, like it will show you what are Kotlin fundamentals. And when you are using an app, you obviously need a button, like there are multiple buttons on our apps now, so it will show you how to add a button to your app, how to make the UI interactive, because in today's world interactive UI are like the top most priority thing. Even though the backend is not good, the UI UX should be like the best, so that people are attracted towards it. And similarly, the unit 3 consists of the next important pathways, like Kotlin fundamentals and the scrollable lists, because we have multiple lists, so we need to scroll down the things. Like, it has all the basic crux which we need for creating an application. So it's just that you need to go to the pathway, finish the whole thing, you go to Colab, code it according to the instructions, take the quiz, and earn the badges. That's it. That's what you need to do for this compose camp.
Well, that is making me excited. So you must be thinking right now, okay, this is just so much to take right now, and I just want to build all the applications today itself. But okay, time to wait. We'll be talking about how you can get started, where I can get all the badges, where I can complete everything. And while we are seeing when you will be able, how will you be able to complete everything, we'll be there to support you and take sessions so that you know how a proper pathways can be completed and get all the badges and showcase your work. So yeah, how to join? Okay, here's everything about how to join. I will be just changing the screen and let you know that how you can join. Um, awesome. So the link will be right there in the comment, and it has been pasted. Awesome.
Yeah, it's shared.
And I will also be screen sharing.
If you want, you can do hands on with Dheeraj for following the
Yes.
sign up thing.
I hope my screen is visible.
Yeah, yeah, it's.
So if you go to the screen, if you go to the link, you will be seeing Android Basics with Compose, and this is pretty much out there the whole year. But in this Compose camp, what we are going to do is we'll help you complete all the units and get all those nice-looking badges, which is, let's be real, these are really good-looking ones that UI team is like applause for the whole thing. So the first one is, as Pritika explained, all the units. These are the 4 units. We'll start from the first. We'll, let's say, click on explore. You have to, before you get all the badges, again you have to sign in so that they can get to know. So I will just log out once, and in that way you will be seeing a sign in button, which should be here after I click on explore. So this is the first pathway. Now, if you haven't signed in, you will be seeing a sign in, save your progress. So if you don't save your progress, there is no way for Google to let them know that, okay, how many pathways or how many units you have completed. So you have to sign in. After you sign in, you will be able to take code labs. And even if you click on take code lab, you will see pretty much everything written from there. But let's be real, who wanna read as a beginner, right? You should be having a person who can help you with everything. And this is where we will come. We will take sessions about everything, and we will make sure that you are becoming an Android developer with good Android applications. And everything will be followed by what Google has given to us. So no need to worry at all. So just sign in, and after sign in, we'll also talk about how you can make your profile public. So give me a yes if you all have signed in and you are also on that page. Till then, I will also sign in again.
Yes, Harshali, you can use it to the full.
I see a lot of people talking about Compose, and okay, I see a lot of yeses. You are way faster than I am. I have not even signed in yet, so just give me like 1 second. Actually, I forgot my password, but I hope I will be able to get in really quick. Awesome. So I have signed in. I see a lot of people have signed in. So how about I just start the screen share again? Yep, that quick. Awesome. So now that I've signed in, I will be seeing something different. You will see 0% completed. I've not completed anything yet. Awesome. I will complete along with you all only. So I will click on view profile. Once you click on view profile, you will be seeing your profile and all the badges I earned last time or something like that. But don't judge me over my badges. I am an Android developer. Okay. Now you will see something here public, but for you it might be private because by default it's private. But if you put it private, then no one can pretty much see your profile, and you cannot share. Even if you share the link, I don't think so anyone will be able to see. And it's always good to update the profile with all the things which should be there. It can be all your links and other stuff. I forgot to add my GitLab thing, but here you go. And after that, the main important thing is your profile is visibly private. So you have to click on change settings, and after you click on change settings, you will be coming here. And once you click on account, you should be clicking on public. So by clicking on public, if you can just if you can just send your profile link, and it will be easier for anyone to access your link, which will make your profile accessible to anyone at any time, which is again part of the show off, right? So again, give me a good yes if you all understood that part. I will just show it once again because I felt I went really quick, but yeah. So uh, uh, um, you must be on the pathways. You okay? It's taking time. You click on view profile. After you click on view profile, you shall be going to your profile, which is freshly created. After you create your profile, you will, after clicking on view profile, you will be coming here. You click on the settings, you update all your stuff, which is not mandatory right now. You can change it later on whenever you are free. But the important part is making your profile public so that we can also check out, and also Google can check out to get the stats. And also, when I was talking about goodies like this T-shirt, I hope it's visible. So last time we have actually won something like this Android T-shirt. So you will be also earning if you make it public. If you make it public, Google can know, your GDSC can know, and give you all the goodies because you are deserving for that. Awesome. And I already see a lot of yeses. Yeah, let me know if you still had any problems. And Pritika has also made a good slide about how you can join.
If you guys want, we can share this PPT also for your reference.
Awesome. I see a lot of yeses. Should we go to the next slide, Pritika?
Yeah, I guess yes.
Awesome. So this was all about how to join. I'll let Pritika take the next stuff.
Okay. So there are these additional resources. So if you are like actually a big fanatic for Android development, so you can go to these practice problems. We have this link over there, practice problems ka, where you can go and practice different kind of Android problems, what you usually face, some errors, how to solve the errors. Google has actually provided a very good practice problems ka set, so you can just go there and practice your compose course. You can learn the compose camp Jetpack compose module in deep, so that you can apply it in your actual applications and make it a huge project for yourself. And also, as I mentioned earlier, like by completing this course, you will be creating 3 apps by default. These 3 apps which are mentioned over here, open-ended projects. Unit 1 mein you will be creating, by finishing the unit 1 you'll be creating a business card application. By the end of unit 2 you'll be creating an art space application. And by finishing the unit 3 you'll be creating this 30 days ka application. If you click on those buttons, like those links, you will be seeing all the different applications ka model which you will be creating. So it's like a very interesting thing that you will be creating just the 3 applications within 1 month ka span. It's important that you finish all the whole course before 8th of October, because after 8th of October it won't be considered. You can finish it of course, but it won't be considered under this compose camp ka event from Google. So it's important for you guys to finish this before 8th of October, so that you will be receiving all the goodies and certificates and whatever whatnot, and all the badges as well. So that's pretty much it. If you want, we can also share this PPT so that you can receive all the links, all the projectile links, and all the additional resources. So for your reference, the college will be sharing it in your group so that you win all things.
Yes.
Yeah. So I guess that's
So, yeah, that's all about from our side. Now, just let me know who else or who follows us on Instagram, both the GDSs. If you follow us, just give us a yes, and I have additional question to you all. Or even if you don't, you can see the links in the description. Now, the people who have followed, they might have seen some Instagram stories lately. There must have been something really cool stuff. And for that, we have Kritika and Anam back to the stage, and they will talk about what was there basically.
Hello, hi everyone. So basically, yesterday we conducted an Instagram quiz. So you are familiar with whatever is Compose Cam and what is Android, and we got really great responses from UMIT also and from TCET also, and we were really thrilled to see so many responses coming and people answering correct questions. And from each college, we have selected three winners, and that we did say that we did mention that we'll be announcing that on the chat. So just give me 5 seconds, till then I'll paste the winners. So right now,
That's really exciting. I hope I'm one of the winner, but not sure. They have not told me to, so never know.
so
We
the
were pretty
winners,
overwhelmed by the responses.
so the winners from TCT are Gaurav Sharma, Sahil, and Ishir Agarwal. And if I talk about UMIT, I'll just add about UMIT now. And Kritika can announce the winners for UMIT. I'll be pasting that in the chat.
Yeah, sure. And the winners for UMIT are Riya Prajapati, Shelly Sinha, and Bhakti Saparia. Congratulations, guys.
Well,
congratulations, guys.
that's really awesome, and these are the winners you can see on the screen also.
And we will be giving them a shout out on our Instagram handle also. So, great.
Well, that's
You can
awesome.
also you can also follow us on Instagram if you haven't, so you can see the shout out and you can see the updates about the Android Compose campaign itself. Now, right now we discussed everything related to the Android campaign, and Pritika and Dheeraj were both amazing and they explained everything so perfectly. If you guys still have any doubt or anything that we might have forgot to mention, you can go ahead and ask away right in the chats itself.
Or else you all can ping us anytime in our social media handles. We will be ready to answer all your doubts.
Yes.
So
Um,
we'll wait more 2-3 minutes. Till then, I'll be floating a feedback form where students from TCT can fill out. We are hoping to see your feedbacks and all that. So I'll be floating that on the chat itself.
So I guess no one has any doubts, like no doubts regarding Compose Camp, Jetpack Compose, or the whole course, anything.
You can
there is
type
one
down
question.
yeah.
If you fail the quiz, what is at the end of the unit? Can yeah. If you fail the quiz now, you can give it again. That's not an issue. Just you just need to pass the quiz at some point of time so that you can earn the badge. How much days will it complete to take the program? it's there isn't any specific time set. It's a self-pacing learning program na. So whenever you're free you can do it. It's just that you will have to finish the program by 9th October if you want to earn the certificates, goodies and stuff. That's it, not nothing else. It's a self-pacing learning program. Will the course be available to complete? Yeah, it will be available, but it won't be counted as a part of Compose Camp powered by Google. So yeah. Can I access the whole course it on phone? Actually, you can access the course on phone, but the thing is, you can't download your Android Studio on phone. Na, it is a quite heavy app. So even for laptops, na, the basic requirement is of 8 GB RAM. If you don't have an 8 GB RAM, na, so it won't work on your laptop as well. So you need to do it on your laptop. It's like recommended is laptop, but if you want, you can do it on phone. No issues. Uh,
You can complete the course on your mobile phones also, as Android Compose Camp provides you online compiler to practice the thing, but it would be little bit difficult to practice the stuff.
how can I correct the answer if I got it wrong? You will have to just believe in your guts. Like whatever you think the answer is, you will have to do that only. No, that's the only solution. Or you might be able to Google it. I guess. How many units should be required to complete it? All the 4 units. All the 4 units should be completed for completing the course. If you finish all the 4 units, then yeah, you are done with the course. Do we have to submit it personally, or you'll all know already that we are completed? So once you're completed, it's recommended to ping your facilitator like me for UMIT or Dheeraj from TCET. So, but yeah, we'll be keeping a track of your completion, whether you have completed or not. It will be recommended if you ping us. How much time do we get to complete the course? As I mentioned, it's just a self-paced learning program, so it's depending on your time. If you start at 3 a.m. na raat ka, so even that's not an issue.
Yes. I see one question asking, is Compose Camp only for TCET and UMIT students? It's pretty much for everyone. Even a 10-year-old can take. It's just it's on the website. What we are here to do is what Google is telling us, that GDS is there to help you follow the pathways, help you do the sessions, and help you actually build the applications, because for a beginner it's hard to just read and pretty much build applications on their own. So we are here to just get you started and help you completing all the 4 units.
If you have any doubts, you can reach out to us so that we can help you clear those doubts and pass the obstacle. Can one do it who hasn't registered? Registered for what? I didn't understand the question actually. Do more live sessions come in a small? Yeah,
Yes.
yes. We'll be taking doubt solving sessions so that if you guys have any doubts now, we can solve those doubts.
um Priya has another doubt. We will be given goodies if we complete the course. Yes, definitely.
Hi, Tanay. Thank you so much.
Hey.
That's great hearing from you. Also, what quiz is everyone talking about? Yeah, quiz means once you complete a pathway na, for earning a badge, at the end of each pathway you will have to take a quiz so that you will let Google know that yes, I have completed the whole pathway and I know what exactly the pathway consisted. So I will give a quiz, I'll pass the quiz, so I'll earn the badge. That's what the quiz is about.
Yes. It's great seeing you all ask questions about the Compose Camp and other stuff. If you are so if the person who is looking later at this whole stream, you can still ping us, and all the socials are below for the UMIT and for GDSC TCET. You can just ping any of the socials and we'll help you there, get you started about anything which is there. Yeah, I believe we are coming into the session.
Um,
So yeah, sorry.
Yes, I just have a little announcement to make. For the students of UMIT, you also have to fill a feedback form, which I've just pasted on the chat. I'll pin it also.
Awesome.
So we'll give you 2-3 minutes more, so you can open the link and fill the form for UMIT.
Feedback forms are really important for any event to any community. It helps us know that what went good, what went wrong, what can be improved, and that is the only way we can know. We just cannot assume from our side that what went wrong. The viewers or the people who joined are the only ones who can tell us that what went wrong.
Will you help us if I face any problems? That's what we are here for, na? We'll be surely helping you guys if you have any issues. You can ping us anyone, anytime.
And make sure to complete all the pathways before 8th of the October.
And also make sure that you sign in before completing the pathways, because multiple times it happens that you open the website, you complete your pathway, and then you realize, ki, oh my god, I haven't signed in. So make sure that you sign in before completing the pathway. What about the other college feedback form? Yeah, we've circulated
Um,
both the feedback forms.
Both, yes.
Yes, we have circulated for UMIT also and for TCT also. If you want,
Um, this is
I can.
the one for TCET. I'm not sure if you will remember the whole thing, but yeah, this is for TCT and this is for UMIT.
Yes, you will be having. That's a surprise.
Yes.
Like, just wait for it. You will be getting some surprises.
Awesome. Kritika, can we get more people from UMIT? We will end, so we will need to take some pictures.
Yeah,
So if
sure.
they can join,
I will tell them.
awesome. So yeah, we are coming to an end, and this is the time where you take screenshots and we take screenshots, and you share about what if you like the session or any info which you would like to share on socials, because it's awesome to do that, I guess.
Yes, and I would also like to thank the teams of both the colleges, because we came together in
Yes.
the last moment and we organized this really amazing session. So just shout out to the whole team that was on the backstage coordinating and organizing everything. So just give them any emojis for the team that helped us organize everything.
And while we end, we will play the song so that everyone can chill, and we'll just take screenshots, I guess. It's by the way copyright free, so. Oh. Let me know, Kritika, if someone's joining.
Yeah, one more.
Awesome.
You guys can leave reactions on our comment box so we can see what are your views. Thank you, Maitri. Thank you, Dhriti.
Okay, that's it, I guess. You can take the screenshots.
Okay, so yeah, just pose, I guess, and yeah. Awesome.
Who took the screenshot,
Okay.
by the way?
No
Yes,
idea.
I took.
I hope
So-
someone took it because I
I'll
was
take
busy
it.
posing.
Okay, I'll take it once in 1, 2, and 3. Okay.
Awesome. Okay,
So,
then.
thank you everyone. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you in our colleges conducting sessions. Like, it will be great to have you all in the offline sessions where we will be giving you hands-on experience of everything that we talked about in the intro session. So bye everyone.
Bye, guys. And keep developing Android.
Bye.
Bye.